गुड मॉर्निंग। नमस्कार। आज एक नया सब्जेक्ट और टॉपिक को देखेंगे, दैट इज सर्जरी। सर्जरी क्या है, इसका क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, इसके कितने ब्रांच हैं। सर्जरी नाम सुनकर ही किसी पेशेंट का दिल दहलने लगता है और भविष्य की चिंताओं से वो ग्रसित हो जाता है कि इसके बाद क्या होगा। सामान्य भाषा में सर्जरी का मीनिंग होता है चीर फाड़, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल यूज। ट्रीटमेंट जो है इंस्ट्रूमेंट के द्वारा होता है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड मेडिसिन। हमारे वर्तमान समय में जो हमारी जीवन है वह इतना भाग दौड़ की ज़िंदगी हो गई है कि एक मिनट के लिए कोई इंतज़ार भी नहीं करना चाहता। आए दिनों सड़कों पर जो एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं, रोड ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट, उसका कारण अनियंत्रित यातायात नियमों का दुरुपयोग, उसका पालन न करना, सामान्य जीवन का रख रखाव और खान पान में गड़बड़ी भी इसके कारण है। सर्जरी मेडिकल साइंस में एक अलग ब्रांच है, सेपरेट ब्रांच है, जिसका अपना स्कोप लिमिटेशन है। किसी भी बीमारी का ट्रीटमेंट अगर मेडिसिन से नहीं होता है तब वहाँ सर्जरी का स्कोप होता है। फिर सर्जरी के बाद में मेडिसिन यूज किया जाता है। तो जहाँ मेडिसिन का स्कोप ख़त्म होता है वहाँ सर्जरी चालू हो जाती है। अभी हम देखेंगे कि ये सर्जरी वर्ड क्या है, इसका मीनिंग क्या है। द वर्ड सर्जरी derived from Greek term chirurgic. The term surgery derived from Greek term chirurgiki. The word chirurgiki derived from chir and ergon. Chir and ergon, that is hand and action. Chir means hand and ergon means action, meaning the action made by the hand. The treatment performed on the patient with the help of hand and instrument is surgery. Branches of surgery: general surgery, thoracic surgery, colon and rectal surgery, obstetrics and gynecological surgery, neurological surgery, ophthalmic surgery, oral and maxillofacial surgery, orthopedic joint replacement, foot, ankle and spine surgery, sport medicine, pediatric, neonatal, prenatal, trauma, oncology, otolaryngology, plastic surgery, urogenital, vascular surgery. These are the different specialized branches of surgery. अब हम एक एक ब्रांच को और थोड़ा विस्तार से देखेंगे। जनरल सर्जरी, व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ जनरल सर्जरी? विच ऑपरेटिव प्रोसीड्यूर इंक्लूडेड इन जनरल सर्जरी और इन विच डिजीजेज वी कंसल्ट ए जनरल सर्जन? General surgery is a surgical specialty that focuses on abdominal content including the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, appendix, bile duct, and often the thyroid gland. They also deals with the diseases involving the skin like abscess, boils, carbuncles, cellulitis, fissure, abrasion, warts, etc. So skin, breast, soft tissue, trauma, peripheral artery diseases and hernias. Perform endoscopic procedures such as gastroscopy and colonoscopy. सो जनरल सर्जरी के अंतर्गत हम इन सारी बीमारी, ऑर्गन में जो बीमारी होती है, डिजीज होती है, उसके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए सर्जरी का हम यूज कर सकते हैं। कार्डियोथोरेसिक सर्जरी। कार्डियोथोरेसिक सर्जरी also known as thoracic surgery is a field of surgery pertaining to organs in the thorax or chest, including the heart and lungs. It may be used to treat a wide range of issues from heart failure to pulmonary embolism to esophageal cancer. So, in heart surgery, cardiology or cardiac surgery is a separate branch at present time, in which we treat with the help of surgery like valve prolapse, coronary blockage, myocardial infarction, and other surgical disease of the heart. Colon and rectal surgery. Colon and rectal surgery. Colon is part of digestive system. So colon and rectal surgeries are typically performed to treat colon and rectal cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, or diverticulitis, and may also be necessary following an injury or wound, serious infection, or bowel blockage. Together, the colon and rectum make up the large intestine. Obstetrics and gynecology surgery. Obstetrics and gynecology at present time becomes separate branch of obstetrics and gynecology. In this branch, surgery refers to procedures that are performed to treat a variety of conditions affecting the female reproductive organs. The main structures are the reproductive systems are the vagina, uterus, ovary, fallopian tubes. Diseases are treated prolapse of uterus, cancer of uterus, cancer of cervix, imperforate hymen, PCOD, uterine fibroid, and other abnormalities related with the female genital organs. In obstetric or delayed labor also treated or maintained by the cesarean section, that is longitudinal or transverse, or in the form of episiotomy. These all included in obstetrics and gynecology. Neurosurgery or neurological surgery. Neuro means nerve. Diseases related to nerve or nervous system included in neurosurgery. Neurosurgery or neurological surgery, known in common parlance or common public as brain surgery, is the medical specialty concerned with the prevention, diagnosis, surgical treatment, and rehabilitation of disorder which affect the portion of the nervous system including the brain, spinal cord, central and peripheral nervous system, and cerebrovascular system. So neurosurgery deals with the diseases of the nervous system, that is brain, spinal cord, central and peripheral nervous system. Ophthalmic surgery. Eye surgery, also known as ophthalmic or ocular surgery, is surgery performed on the eye or its adnexa by an ophthalmologist. Eye surgery is synonymous with ophthalmology. The eye is a very fragile organ and requires extreme care before, during, and after a surgical procedure to minimize or prevent further damage. At present time, ophthalmic surgery also becomes specialized in form of disease or according to disease condition. like cornea transplant or corneal surgery or accidental surgery. According to case, it becomes specialized. So today we see about the definition of the surgery, branches of the surgery, and in short brief, certain branches of the surgery. In next video, we see a rest of the branch of the surgery. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.